Gorgeous. My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're going to be talking about the Anker SoundCore Liberty 2 headphones. We're sponsored again, you know? This is a fun little product that SoundCore sent to me for free. So today we're just going to be doing an unboxing of these Liberty 2 total wireless earphones. I have told Anker a couple times that I'm not a big fan of these because my ears are so small that they just slip and they start falling out because my ears are sweaty. So, but they they still send these to me, so that's fine. And I actually prefer the Power Beats, which I've done an unboxing for, and that's because they angle better into my little tiny ears and they fit better around. But who knows? Maybe these will be good. So we will see here. So according to Anker, this is by their SoundCore division. These are diamond coated drivers for high precision audio, flawless audio clarity via diamond coated drivers. Okay. Hear ID personalized sound. I'm not too sure what that means. Up to 8-hour playtime, 32 hours with charge case. 8 hours is actually not a lot, right? I can usually get like an entire week's worth of playtime out of my Power Beats 3 headphones, right? But these might be more powerful or something, I'm not sure. 4 microphones with uplink noise cancellation. Charge for 10 minutes, listen for 2 hours. That's typical for these types of headphones. Fully sweat proof, and I definitely need that. Oh, and then the Hear ID. Each of us perceives sound differently. I don't know if you can see that there. So this is what the packaging looks like, actually. It's kind of fancy. And there's the back of the box. And then it opens up, and then this is what I'm reading just in here. So it says, Hear ID, each of us perceives sound differently, like a fingerprint. Your oral anatomy is completely different to you. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. First of all, it looks like, as you can see, in there, it looks like you just have the headphones up here and then the little case down here. That's probably the charging case. So in order to open it, it looks like you just lift on the side. Anker's packaging is usually pretty nice. I heard something fall. It may have sounded like the paper, like the warranty information. And it looks like you just pull this out. I'm just going to pull out the case and you can slip this open. It says open that way. And then look, it looks like you can store the headphones in there for charging. And it does have 3 little dots there in order to tell you if it's fully charged or not. And then here's the headphones themselves. They're just kind of clipped in here. And it looks like it does come with the standard size and the standard side item on there. So you can see that. They're actually pretty small. I'm surprised how small these are. And it looks like this probably just slips out. Yes. And it does. It has a little charging cable, which fell out. Sorry. And we have different sizes for all your sizing needs. So I have tiny ears, so I'm probably going to put these little tiny ones here on. It looks like these are the smallest that go in the middle, which is kind of a weird way to do it, but whatever. I'm going to use that. Then it comes with all the paper here and the charging cable, which has fallen out and I can't seem to find it, and it's this right here. Here's the charging cable that came with it. And then here's all the papers that came with it. It looks like it just has the warranty information, quick start guide, which may be useful. Just shows you how to use the Bluetooth, what to do in order to skip songs, how to skip ahead, you double click and whatnot. There's that guide. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So the box contains, this, which is very important for all the different sizing, all the warranty information, and the user guide. Here's the box itself. Here's the charging cable, which I assume connects to the Anker Core box. And it does look like it uses the Samsung type charging cable. So if you have a Kindle or a Samsung device around, uses the same cable. So we use that. And then the 2 earphones. See, look how tiny these are. That's the only thing that I'm afraid of, is losing them. You stick them in your ear and then they just fall out, never to be seen again because it's black, of course. So I don't know. I'm going to still try and use them. I'm excited to try and use them. And it looks like these just snap into the case here. So this says L for left R for right, and it just positions itself accordingly inside the box there. So that's kind of fun, huh? And then you just slide that closed, and it looks like the 3 dots on the bottom blink to tell you that it's charging. I don't know if you could see that there. Oh, it stopped blinking. Maybe it needs to be charged. I haven't opened it in a bit, so. But anyways, yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to hit that like button if you enjoyed this content and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much to Anker for sponsoring this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.